Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe customer portal for dividend payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Stripe customer portal for dividend payments, start by visiting the Stripe website. Log in to your Stripe account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the customer portal option in the side menu. Click on Settings under the Customer Portal section. Enable the Customer Portal if it is not already activated. Next, set the necessary payment options that you wish to offer through the portal. This may include adjusting subscription levels and defining payment methods. After configuring the settings, navigate to the API Keys section. Copy your secret API key, you will need it for authentication. Return to the Customer Portal settings. Find the link that directs users to access the portal. This link will be important for your customers to authenticate themselves. Now, go to your application or website where you want to implement the authentication. Integrate the Stripe API by including the necessary libraries in your project. Use the secret API key you copied earlier to authenticate API requests. Create a function that generates a unique session for each customer. Pass the customer's email and any relevant metadata into this function. Once the session is created, redirect the customer to the customer portal link. Ensure that the customer receives a secure and unique token for their session. Inside the portal, customers can manage their payment information and view their dividends. Test the entire process with a sandbox account to ensure everything functions correctly. Make necessary adjustments based on your testing to enhance user experience. Once satisfied, launch the feature for your live users. Monitor the integration after launch to address any potential issues promptly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.